Next year, the world will reach an interesting milestone. For the first time in the post-war period, the working age population, that is, people aged 15 to 64, throughout the advanced world will start to decline. Now, this isn't a brand new development. It's actually been in the works for many years, and it's a consequence of things that we have known about for a long time. People are living longer, and fertility rates, the number of children a woman will have over her lifetime, have been declining. But only recently have the economic consequences of these aging populations become readily apparent. For example, growth around the world has disappointed repeatedly since the financial crisis of 2008, and it's now apparent that demographics are an important reason why. When there are fewer people of working age and fewer people, it means that companies have both fewer workers and fewer customers. Either way, that leads to lower economic growth. One of the reasons the U.S. economy is growing so much more slowly, and in spite of that fact the unemployment rate is declining, is because fewer people are entering the workforce each year looking for work. Similarly, one of the reasons interest rates are so low is because around the world, not just in the rich countries, but places like China, a lot of people are in their highest saving years as they prepare for retirement. As they cross at age 65 into retirement, that will slowly reverse. And what people spend their money on is also changing. When people are young, in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, they buy more durable goods like cars. They spend money on their kids' education. They buy their first home. As they get older, they don't buy those things. They spend more on things like healthcare. All these changes are going to slowly become much more powerful and potent in the coming years ahead. How do we prepare for them? Well, one of the things we have to do is sort of like get used to the idea we're an older population. Trying to get people to have more children is one possibility, but the history of such initiatives is relatively mixed. Another possibility is for increased immigration from poor countries to rich countries, but that's politically fraught. In the meantime, perhaps the most promising way to address this is to encourage all people in advanced countries to work longer. Because of their longer lifespan, they're able to work longer because they're healthier, and that will give us another lease on our economic life.